In the fast-moving tide of China's manufacturing industry, how is packaging undergoing its own transformation? At Rueda Packaging's 5G Smart Factory, we set out to find the answer. Here, it's no longer about loud machines and manpower alone, but a data-driven, robot-powered revolution, one that reshapes efficiency, precision, and the future of production. Dozens of Lanxin robots have become a dynamic presence on the factory floor, operating 24/7 as they move materials with millimeter-level accuracy to every workstation. This not only frees up manpower, but also synchronizes logistics with the rhythm of production. Behind it all is Lanxin's Robotic Command Center, the RCS scheduling system. It mirrors the entire physical environment in a virtual world and sends real-time instructions to every robot and piece of equipment over 5G, ensuring full control over every detail of production. The transformation of a single sheet of film begins quietly here. In Rueda's raw material warehouse, Lanxin intelligent forklifts move blank film rolls from a high bay storage to the printing workshop with precision. After printing, Lanxin AMRs head to the workshop, docking with the buffer racks with plus or minus 5 mm accuracy. Along the way, their depth vision system ensures safety and steady handling as they deliver the rolls to the line-side high bay warehouse. Guided by the warehouse's alignment and lifting mechanisms, the film is positioned and raised precisely to its designated storage level. At the high bay warehouse's output point, Lanxin AMRs pick up the released rolls and deliver them to the lamination workshop. Once lamination is complete, the robots set off again, docking with the line-side buffer racks and moving the rolls into the smart curing warehouse. Guided by its alignment and lifting mechanisms, the rolls are positioned and raised precisely to their designated curing levels. After curing, the robots immediately transfer the material to the slitting workshop. The slit rolls are then delivered to the automatic packing area, stored temporarily in the line-side buffer after packaging. Finally, intelligent forklifts take over, moving the finished products to the stacker crane warehouse for orderly storage. And so, the transformation journey of a single transparent film concludes, powered from start to finish by Lanxin robots.